Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Hasi, and today I'm going to cover chapter 12, systematics. So be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button on your screen. Let's get started. Okay, so systematics. Systematics is an area in biology which is made of taxonomy plus phylogeny. Taxonomy is biological diversity. Phylogeny is evolutionary history. Taxonomy is description, identification, naming, classification of the organisms. Basically, evolutionary history is based on the evolution, but it's specifically organic evolution, genetic changes in populations through many generations. In 1859, Charles Darwin publishes a book, Origin of Species. Basically, the book contained two major arguments, evolution and the mechanism which he came up with, which is natural selection. And also involve two interrelated phenomena, which is adaptation over the course of time. Species modify their phenotypes in ways that permit them to succeed in their environment, and speciation over the course of time. Number of species multiplies. A single species can give rise to the two or more than two descendant species. Natural selection is a mechanism basically based on living things produce more offspring than finite resources, and because of that, they face constant struggle of existence. Plants, we see this individual they varies in their phenotypes. Some variation is inheritable, and survival of fittest is those best adapted to the conditions and survive and reproduce themselves. So Carl Linnaeus basically is considered the father of the systematics, and basically he wrote two books, Systema Naturae, 1735, and Species Plantarum, 1753. Specifically, Species Plantarum is about the plants, and he came up with the system, scientific names, this binomial system like Acer rubrum, which is red maple. There are also varieties under the species. If you look at the maize, so maize belongs to the kingdom Plantae, phylum Anthophyta, class monocots, and family Poaceae, genus Zea, and species Zea maize. So cladogram, phylogenetic trees are basically show the evolutionary relationship among the organisms. And taxon is they might belong to any ranking in this system. Elements of plants, group of plants with similar things. A cladogram again can be designed like this, a straight line, and there are markers that in these red markers here, embryo, xylem, phloem, wood, seeds, flower. As you can see here, oaks and pines share more recent ancestor with each other than ferns. You can see here which one diverged first, mosses in this case, and last oaks in this case. Okay. Again, phylogenetic trees shows which organisms share a most recent ancestry with others. Cladogram is just a phylogenetic tree. And there is this phylogenetic tree basically shows as many possible traits and then their relationship to each other, from the oldest ancestors to the eudicots today. This concludes our chapter 12, systematics, and see you in the next video.